An interesting, informative, and persuasive About Us page can improve the visibility of your photography website. Potential customers will most likely look at your About Us page to know more about your photography business. They may form their impression of your service based on the content of this page. So, a good About page can improve your business prospects. Use it to tell your story and establish your credibility. Here are some exciting and interesting photography website About Us pages to inspire you. No need to take notes, all the links are in the description below. Number 1. Mike Kelley. Mike Kelley's About page is simple but striking. It briefly introduces the artist and then supplies relevant info, like the clients and publications he has worked with. His awards and exhibitions are also listed on this page. This page effectively establishes his expertise. Number 2. Adrieana Blazin. Adriana's penchant for black and white photography is reflected through her About page. This web page features a stunning image. Below it is an account of her introduction to photography, services she offers, and a strong call to action. The signature element is a black and white photograph of the artist, which invokes a personal connection. Number 3. Grace Chuang. Grace Chuang's About page covers all that a potential customer would want to know about the photographer. A full-size, high-quality image of the photographer resonates with her style of photography. She highlights the most relevant aspects of her career by changing the font, style, or color of the text in an unobtrusive but effective way. Number 4. Brandi Toole. Brandi Toole's About Me page is quirky and exciting but informative as well. All the relevant details are placed in the top half. Her awards and recognitions are highlighted by badges. The strategic scattering of photographs gives us a sneak peek of the type of images she specializes in. Finally, the trivia section creates a personal touch that makes the artist seem more approachable. Number 5. Amelia Allen. Amelia's style of photography is cheerful and fun. The content of Amelia Allen's About page establishes her expertise and talent. It lists the notable clients and publications that she has worked with. The About Us page also directs visitors to samples of her work. Overall, this page is short, crisp, and compelling. Crafting an interesting photography website About Us page doesn't have to be complicated. There is no winning formula to follow. So, exercise your creativity and come up with a page that is compelling and unique. But if you are still struggling, then I have prepared a list of 16 photography website About Us page examples. You can check out that list by clicking on the link in the description below. In the description below, you will also find a link to the list of cheapest tools to build your website. It's called the Website Builder's Toolbox. Click the link below this video to get the Website Builder's Toolbox. And, if you liked this tutorial, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get more tutorials like this.